Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. PeerBerry is a leading peer-to-peer lending platform, connecting borrowers seeking loans with investors looking for solid returns. The platform facilitates a streamlined and efficient marketplace where individuals can access funding for various purposes, while investors can diversify their portfolios and potentially achieve higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. PeerBerry prides itself on its rigorous loan origination process, ensuring the quality and creditworthiness of the borrowers listed on the platform. This careful vetting process helps mitigate risks for investors. Transparency is a cornerstone of PeerBerry's operations, with detailed information about each loan, including borrower profiles, loan purpose, interest rates, and repayment schedules, readily accessible. Investors can make informed decisions based on this comprehensive data and choose loans that align with their investment strategies and risk tolerance. Furthermore, PeerBerry offers features like Auto Invest, which automates the investment process based on predefined criteria, simplifying portfolio management for busy individuals. The platform supports multiple currencies and provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for both novice and experienced investors to navigate. With a focus on security and regulatory compliance, PeerBerry aims to provide a safe and reliable environment for all participants. In addition to personal loans, PeerBerry also offers business loans, expanding the investment opportunities available on the platform. This diverse range of loan products caters to a wider range of investor preferences and allows for greater portfolio diversification. By connecting borrowers and investors directly, PeerBerry aims to create a more accessible and efficient financial ecosystem. The platform continually evolves, integrating new technologies and features to enhance the user experience and further strengthen its security measures. With its commitment to transparency, robust risk management, and user-friendly platform, PeerBerry has established itself as a reputable player in the peer-to-peer lending landscape. Through a commitment to ethical and responsible lending practices, PeerBerry seeks to build long-term value for both borrowers and investors, fostering a mutually beneficial financial relationship. For those seeking alternative investment opportunities, PeerBerry presents a compelling platform worth exploring. Remember to conduct your own due diligence and assess the risks before making any investment decisions.